This is our padlock. Tina, Tom, Sophie, Clara involved today. Is it 16th?
16th
of June 2012. Putting our padlock on, Dave, just here.
Just here.
Can you get it?
Yeah.
Can you get it?
Right there.
Hang on, I've got to snip it up.
Yeah.
It's there.
It's done.
Have you got it?
Yes.
Halfway up. And Tina and Sophie, and it's already wearing off.
Right.
Done.
Okay.
I am there. That is it. Come back to find it. Can you see me?
Yeah.
Am I in it? Okay, this is the key. I'm going to chuck it in the sea. Ready? The key to our padlock, by the way. Ready? Come on. Are you coming?
Yeah. I'm just falling over now.
Come on, Mozzie.
Quickly now.
Quickly. This will show my eternal love for my wife, Tina. What, we're going into deep sand, Mozzie?
Oh, fuck.
Come on, follow the key. Right, ready? This will seal our love forever. It's gone. That's it. Thank you.